Hi there, I'm Sean Dillman. In this video, I'll be unboxing this Logitech MX Anywhere 2. If you like this video and find it to be helpful, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so here's the front of the box, here's the side, here's the back, here's the other side, top, and bottom. As you can see, we have a nice image of the mouse here on the box. If we flip it to the back, it tells us about some of its features. It tracks anywhere. It's got some easy switch technology, hyper fast scrolling, and advanced power management. Okay, so to get into the box, I'm going to use my trusty box cutter as always, and I'm going to set the blade length to just kind of a very short distance so that I'm just cutting the plastic, the sticker or the tape, but I'm not actually cutting into the box or anything else itself. So I'm just going to do a very small cut here, and there you go. That's all I needed to do to get that open. Okay, so we'll pull this back. Oh, that's cool. Okay, so the first thing that we see on the top here is it's actually got the USB mouse dongle on the top, or USB adapter. So this is what you're gonna plug into your computer if you're not going to run it with Bluetooth. So be careful when you open it that it doesn't go anywhere. It's nice and secure, so I don't think it's going to. Okay, so I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna put it to the side, but I'm gonna put it somewhere where it's safe and I can see it, so it doesn't get lost, you know, in a couch cushion or anything like that. Okay, so next I'm gonna peel back the top of the box, and I'll just pull it out like that. Set that on the table, and this is what else is here. Okay, so that is the entire contents of the box. Nothing else in here, so I'm gonna set the box to the side. Okay, so these are the four contents of the box. As I mentioned, we've got this mouse dongle that you already saw. We've got this power cable that we're gonna use to charge the mouse. We've got the mouse unit itself, and then we've got the documentation that comes with the mouse. Okay, so these are the four little documents that come with the mouse. Not gonna spend a lot of time on these. Nothing too interesting here, just the usual stuff. Okay, one more time, here's the dongle. I know I already showed it, but I'm just gonna kind of show it more specifically, or a closer view. It's very small. It actually has a smaller profile than other dongles I've seen. For example, with the MX Master 2, I know that the dongle was a little bit bigger than this, so the technology is advancing, it's getting smaller. Okay, here's the charging cable. We'll get this out of the way as well. Nothing too exciting to see here. It's got a little plastic wrap on it, a twist tie. So we'll just take off this twist tie. I'll set that aside. This is a really helpful feature. I always appreciate that Logitech provides these Velcro straps, which kind of helps with cable management. That way, you know, if I ever wanted to like do something like this, and I wanted to, you know, bundle it up, I could do something like that, and then I can use this strap. So if I do it like this, then, you know, it's nice and secure, it's compact. If I put it in my bag or something, it won't get tangled up with other cables and things like that. So I always appreciate seeing little features like this, and it's not really very surprising coming from Logitech. So the most important piece in here, of course, is the mouse itself. It comes in this little bag, this little protective bag. So I'm just gonna pull it out. Nothing else in the bag. And there you go, there's the mouse itself. It's quite nice. I'm looking forward to using it, looking forward to providing a review on this unit. So that's what that looks like with the strip on the bottom. I'm just gonna pull this back. Okay, so that concludes my unboxing of the Logitech MX Anywhere 2 mouse. If you liked this video and found it to be helpful, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Also, please be sure to stay tuned for my video in which I review this mouse in action. Thanks again for watching. As always, I'm Sean Dillman.